Hello everyone. Let's start by seeing how many of you like boat rides. For me, I love boat rides. And today I will be showing you how to make a boat out of paper, which probably isn't funner than an actual boat ride, but it could be a little creative idea. First, we're gonna start off with our paper. We're gonna first fold it long ways. And then we are going to open it, and then we're going to fold it down like a hamburger. Okay. And then we get to this point. For this part, we should keep the bottom open, but we are then going to put these two down right in the middle where the line is, or the crease. Okay, and then we should have this. From here, we are going to open just one of these flaps, and we're going to fold them over, just one. So we have this right here. We are then going to proceed to turn it around and fold these little edges down. Then we are simply going to fold, where we have these little edges, we are going to fold the paper right on top of it. We're going to have it like this. This is the back, and this is our front. We are then going to proceed to open it, and simply as we open it, we're going to simply fold it just like this. And we're going to crease our edges so that we have this, exactly like a diamond shaped. We are then going to fold each one upward. Fold each one upward like this. And then we're going to turn around and fold this part upward. We should get to this part. We're then going to open the bottom, and we're simply going to fold it. We're going to turn it and then fold. And then we're going to crease our edges. So then we have this little square, but we're going to keep it as a diamond. And then we are simply going to just open the sides. Well, let me see. Just open the top, or the top. We're then going to just proceed to open it. Oops. And then we are going to fold the bottom. We're going to crease it. And then we open it just a little bit. And voila. We have ourselves a little boat. It seems fun and easy to make this little boat. Hope it turns out just the same for y'all. Thank you.